Hey, my little tree climber and I are out here in our orchard today, and we wanted to say two things. One, thank you so much, and two, I'm sorry. First and foremost, thank you so much to all of my subscribers. Why? Because we hit 25,000 subs, and that was a goal of mine, and you helped me to reach it. So we're all in this together. I appreciate it. And since we're all in this together, I have to issue you a big apology. Why do I want to say I'm sorry to you? Well, here's the reason why. Out of all 25,000 plus of you now, only a tiny fraction, about 1.7% of you, watch our videos. And for that reason, I want to say I'm sorry, because I haven't done a good job in making videos that interest you. So, in an effort to be better this year and to grow more this year, I am asking you to reach out to me in the comment section again and let me know what I need to do to keep your attention and what videos we need to do to keep you interested. All right, so in that effort to be better, I'm going to be trying some different things this year, and one of those is vlogging. I'm not a vloggy type of guy, but in an effort to keep your interest here in the channel, I'm going to do it. You can do a little off-roading, Ariel? Yeah. Additionally, within that effort, I need to be more energetic. Now, I'm not going to be cheesy. I'm not going to change my personality, but I need to put more energy forth in making these videos for you, and I know sometimes it's just not there. And it's not there, honestly, because I'm tired sometimes. And I just can't put forth that huge amount of energy into each video. But I'm going to overcome that and give that to you. So hopefully, I keep your attention better. Additionally, I'm going to try to be more clear and concise. Now, that rambling that I do sometimes can happen on vlog style videos, and I know a lot of people do that. They just talk about whatever in their day, and if that's what you want to know, whatever's going on during our day, that's what you're going to get, and I hope that is interesting for you. But on the videos that we make a project or do a project, I'm going to be more clear and concise for you. We're going to be trying some other things in our videos too, so be prepared. We're going to be adding some music and doing some jump cuts into some B-roll, and I hope that is interesting for you. And if it's not, I'm truly sorry. But since only a tiny percentage of you watch the channel, I have to engage more of you who don't. So to my loyal subscribers, change is coming. And I'm sorry. I love you, but I got to do something different. And everybody involves and changes a little bit differently. I'm still going to be my genuine self, so don't you worry about that. But the videos might look a little bit different. Additionally, if you want to see my family, they're going to be in it with me too. YouTube's a little bit strange right now in terms of what they're doing with monetization on the channels, but hey, whatever. If this is what you want to see, this is what you're going to get. So there, I've said all I need to say to you guys. Changes are coming. I'm sorry for not doing them earlier. Thank you so much for all of you who are here with us on the channel, and I will try my darndest to make videos that all of you want to watch. Have a great day. Do not forget to go into our archives, onto our video page, and watch all of our playlists on our garden, on our different woodworking projects, so on and so forth. I think there's a lot of great information for you there. Check those out. We'll see you next week on our next video. Bye.